Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here. Yes, we're gonna do a $25 session. I have one ticket of $5 blast of cash and 4 tickets of my favorite lottery extra. I haven't seen the new one. Maybe next time I am gonna do it. The new ticket here in California. So how's everyone? I hope everyone is doing good. So in here, we need to find 2x, 5x, 10x, and the star. Win all 18 prizes. This is ticket 46 and book number 3. Let's do it. Okay. I hope everyone's doing or winning big. 18, winning numbers 18, 17, 41, 58, and 51. Let's find the match or the symbols. Okay, 56, we got 58, 31, 55, okay, 22, okay, 16, 17, we got 17, we got 16, 19, we got 18, 48, 33, 26. So not a winning ticket. Let's go with the lottery extra from 71 down to 68. Oh, we have to do 68, 69, 70, and 71. All right, let's do it. And this is book number 8, my 8 in LVU. So the harp, and see the harp. Okay, La Garza, we got it. The violin, okay. Bird on the stick. Las Haras, we have it. La Pera. The shrimp. The little guitar. Oops, hold on. The umbrella. The chicken. The pine tree. The bell. The chalupa. The drum. Half moon. The moon, no. Okay, let's go at the back. The rose. Okay, this is not a winning ticket. Ticket number 68. Let's go with 69. The chicken. The wig. We have wig. No. The umbrella. No. The basin. This one, we have it. The scorpion. No. La Pera. We have it. No. Maceta. The boot. We have it. The drum. No. The teacher. La Dama. I hope everyone is doing good and well. The crown. I'm doing great. I'm so busy at my work. The frog. Bird on the cage. The sirena. No, the mermaid. The spider. Okay, not a win on this front. Let's go on the back. I hope. The chalupa. Nope. Alright. Ticket number 70. I'm sorry. RR ball. LR ball. The little guitar. I'm sorry about that. The chalupa. Shh. The chicken. Shh. Okay. Picture. Shh. Umbrella. Pine tree. The boots. The bota. The wig. Do I have wig? No. The crown. No crown. The cacti. The spider. The harpa. Come on. Come on, dear. Oh, the hand. The mano. No. Let's go on the back. Mermaid. Okay. Nope, last ticket. Oh my goodness. The palm tree. Nope. Okay. Toilet seat. The mailman. La Rosa. The bell. The cacti. Half moon. The hen. Bird in the cage. And our bowl. The chicken. Oh yes, we got the $10. $10. Okay. The Laharas, LR ball, the chicken, and the bell. Got 10. Alright. Let's go on the back. I wish it's a 1 too. Okay. So, we get $10. Okay. We lost 15. This is $25. Okay. I hope you enjoy watching my video. We just win $10 out of 25. Okay guys. Thank you so much and good luck also to your ticket. And stay hydrated. Take care. Love you all. Bye. Thank you, California. I miss you guys. Bye.